Mesquite neighbors are outraged as they say their elected officials defied a Las Vegas judge and are now facing the consequences for it. 8 News Now reporter James Schaefer joining us in the newsroom about the crisis that's going on right now in Mesquite. James?
Denise, normally for a story like this, we get a comment from the Mesquite city manager who has been involved, but he's been fired. We would then reach out to the city attorney who has been representing the city in court, but he's resigned. So instead, tonight we went to go speak with the concerned residents of Mesquite.
I would say they're very disgusted in what they see going on here.
Mesquite residents are in disbelief as their government is now on the wrong side of a court decision, claiming it's had an impact on law enforcement's response.
It's unbelievable how the city just went downhill all of a sudden.
This following a court order finding the city in contempt of court regarding the firing of their police chief.
Well, I think there was people that wanted me out.
That's former police chief McQuade Chesley, following an internal investigation which claimed he threatened his police officers.
None of the evidence against the chief has ever been presented to either judge. That's a fact.
Back in March, 8 News Now was the only camera in the room when the city held a special meeting calling out the former police chief.
It's got to cease here. It's even wrong by being printed and brought up today. It shouldn't be there.
Residents demanded the city end what a judge ordered should have never happened. Councilman Patty Gallo, the only member leaving mid-meeting.
I said things that I shouldn't have said.
A month later, the city manager fired. And then a few weeks later, the city attorney resigning before he said he could be fired by what he called a council controlled by internet trolls.
It's total chaos, but it was brought upon by the city manager and the city attorney.
Even former Mayor Al Lippman calling for something to change.
There's a number of people that should be investigated at this point and probably should be leaving the city.
Now, it's not all criticism. Some of those residents we spoke to want to see the interim city manager made permanent and the interim city attorney fulfill that role. Even the former police chief told us when we last spoke, he just wants to move on. Denise?
James, thanks for that. That court order also puts the city on the hook for legal fees, but that total fine for defying a judge only comes to about $500.